Hello everyone, welcome to Smart Data Learners. Today we will cover another topic of SQL language, SQL language. Where we will extract the data from more than one tables and present these in a table format. Previously, we have already covered some of the other commands, and you can look into the our previous videos. So let's start for today. So what we're trying to do today, let's let me show what we are trying to do. So today we have we work on the Adventure Works Data Warehouse 2019, a database provided by the Microsoft website. You can download that from their website. So let's see what we will be doing. So here this is our database. Okay, these are all the tables belongs to AdventureWorks Data Warehouse 2019. So today we want to get the name of the products, their subcategories, and their categories. So let me show where this data is stored. So if we look into that, we have a product table, then we have a product category table, a separate table, and then we have a product subcategory table. Let me show you what subcategories says. So these are all the subcategories, and this is our product categories. So let's start. So we will write a select statement. Select the name of the table, dim product dot product name, product English name, right, comma. Then we need a product subcategory, dim. So subcategory stored in the product subcategory table. So we'll go to this subcategory table, dim product subcategory table. Then from here we want a subcategory name. This is English product subcategory name. Then comma, and also we want dim product category name. Dim product category dot product English product category name. From dim product so we'll go there and then we will write down join dim product subcategory dot dim product subcategory, join dim product subcategory on the common keys, foreign keys in that. If you want to learn more about foreign keys, we already have a database, relational database video where we have explained all the foreign keys and primary keys. I will provide a link below in our this video. Okay, so join dim product subcategory on dim product dot subcategory is equal to dim product subcategory dot product subcategory, right? And then we also want product category name. So we'll write down join dim product category on dim product subcategory dot product category key is equal to dim product category dot product category key. Okay, so what we did is we selected the product name, product subcategory name, product category name from three tables. Number one, we join dimension product. We join that on a dim product subcategory on dim product category key, which is a foreign subcategory and is equal to product subcategory dot product subcategory key. And then we join the product category key product category on dim product subcategory dot product category key is equal to dim product category. So basically these are the, I'll show you what we have done. So if we look at the products, so look, we will look into the columns. We see there is a product table. Dim product table has product subcategory key. This is a foreign key. You see this FK means foreign key. It has a foreign key. And then we have a product subcategory. So here we have a product subcategory key, primary key. So we join this foreign key from the product key to this product subcategory primary key. Now in this table product subcategory, we also have a product category key, which is a foreign key, and this is a primary key of product category key. Let me show you that. So these are the product category key. So both of these tables, all of these three tables are now joined by selecting. Let me write down more clearly. This. Then we join this one. We join table product subcategory on dim product category key is equal to this, and we have this. So now let's run this. You see, we have all these product names, their subcategories, and their categories, right? So that's how we will extract the table. We extract the data from three tables. So let's say we want all the products and you see here we join these where on the common basis where the product category key is equal to product subcategory key of these. If these two conditions are equal, for example, if product has subcategory key and the same with this equal where they are equal, we selected this. When there are product the same with the product subcategory dot product key is equal to this. So we have basically joined those, only selected those where all of these are available. For example, all the products where they have subcategory and the category. For example, if we want all the products, but regardless of whether they have uh, subcategory or a category. So here we can use the left join. Today we will also cover this left join also here. Let's say left join dim product category key on. So here our table is on the left side. So we will select all the products, but only selected product subcategories. Here, then we. So what does that mean? Left join. Left join basically works as it will join. It will select. Basically, it's a join condition plus all the rows where there the right side of the all the rows from the left side of the table, left table, and only the selected from the right side. Let's run this one query. I will show you, explain you. Let's run that. You see, there are certain products where they don't have any product subcategory name and product category name. These are just the product names. So we have now all the products. So here we have the names, and if we remove that, it will only select those records where all of these conditions are met, and null values will be eliminated. Now we have about 397 records. Let's say we join left, all the products, regardless whether they have subcategories or categories. Now we have more records because we also selected all the products where there are no subcategories, or might be they are awaiting the assignment of the subcategory or category by the product department. So this is right now. Today we will we'll finish our video here, and in the coming video we will further uh, look into the other kind of joins. These are for this video today. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, please subscribe our channel. Subscribe.